What's up, folks? It's Ham with the Fast Time Outdoor Show. This AC currently was making a lot of noise, a lot of rumbling and knocking noises, and I was wondering what the heck was going on. But I just fixed it and now it's sounding normal. But before it sounded like this. But yeah, now it's sounding like this. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it. Just to summarize, I went on top of my RV, I opened the AC shroud, I took off the insulation, which was made of styrofoam, I took off the plastic cover guarding the fan, and I went in the fan and checked out what was wrong. And instantly I saw that 2 bolts were missing, and I went ahead and went to fix those 2 bolts by securing it in place. Once secured in place, the fan shut up. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Hope this helps you. Okay, that's the noise of my AC. It works, but there's that vibrating, pulsing noise. Boom, 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 boom. That noise. So that's what it is. Okay, so this AC got hit. I'm on top of my RV. And now the AC is making a bit of noise. So I'm going to take this off and investigate what's going on. So there's a screw here. Screw here. And look at that. 2 of them. I may need to replace this cover today. Go take apart this one. I think I'll put a new cover on. There's 1. That's 2. There's 2 in the front. Right there. Just goes right off. Okay, see what we got here. Okay, I'm feeling the vibration coming out of this part right here. I spin it. So I gotta open this place. I gotta open this. Oh, there we go. It just comes right off. Easy peasy. Okay. Let's see. Comes right off. I should have brought my wrench, because now I gotta take these off, because I can't see inside. I got my kit. Let's do it. Assuming it's number 8. Oh. This is a quarter, please. Yes. It's a tiny quarter. Okay. I can do this. Wish I had a screwdriver. Or drill attachment, but I don't have that right now. So too bad. Oh, it would be so much quicker if I had that. So I'm resorting to this way. Totally vertical. It's not a lot of torque. Just screwed into plastic, really. Oh, that's 1. Okay, there's this one. That one. It's
bit easier to reach. Okay, there's another and another. And again, what you want is a screwdriver version, so you can use your drill and get it out. But I don't have that right now, so I'm using this, which is still fine, as you can see. So take that out, take that out, take that out. Let's go on this side. What else? What else? Oh, I see it. Oh no, that's not good. I see it, but that's not good. I'll show what I mean. It's in there. Looks like I'm out of luck. I'm gonna have to find it. Looks like I'm real slow. I'll deal with that one last. So that trick's not gonna work. I have to find my tiny socket. It sucks because I have my heavy duty kit. It doesn't go this small. Alright, let's go. There you go, that's out. So basically, the only thing holding this guy in is that guy. It's being annoying because it's stuck in the corner. So be ready to have the proper socket. Otherwise you're gonna struggle, like me, with the proper socket. This wouldn't be a problem, you see? I'm gonna there we go. A little bit annoying, but got it out. So next time, get yourself a 1/4 inch socket, so you don't gotta suffer like I did. Okay, now let's see if I can take this off. Holding it down. Here, here. Okay, now that's off. Let's have a good look at this. It's scraping. Well, this is moving. Look at it, it's moving. This motor shouldn't be moving, I guess. Ah, right there. Look at that. 2 of these are gone. That makes sense. Right here. There's 2 mounts right here, and they're not on anymore. I can even see the bolt. They somehow fell off. It's right here. 2 bolts. So all I had to do is find 2 nuts, I guess. Can find 2 nuts and go right in. Okay. So why that came out, I don't know. The back should have a nut. Okay, anyways, if that's the case, then let's get on to the fixing part. I basically have to put a bolt like this through that hole. Put a bolt through this hole and get it in that grommet. Yeah, I can't get some video, so I'm basically gonna line it up and stick that screw in, okay? I need 2 hands. Okay, so there you go. Spinning without bolt. Now that I partially tightened these things on,
You can see this thing is spinning. No more rubbing like before. Okay, so like I said, smooth, no noises. The reason why is the reason why I was rumbling is because that bolt and that bolt was loose, and I found it just right in the bottom of the pan. So now I just gotta find out what that is and tighten it. You could use a screwdriver on this one because it has a straight head. So I'll just change my screwdriver. So this is there. Nope, my screwdriver is too long. I'm gonna use my wrench set. 10. So remember, the other screws on the outside were a quarter, and this is a 10. Nice. So these bolts are 10s. I think I can use my hands first because it's literally in rubber. Yeah, my hands are working. It's not that much. You're just kind of screwing it into a grommet. So if you use your fingers first, that'll work good. And afterwards, you can tighten with the wrench. Right. Yes. No movement. That's what you want. No movement. Okay. It's getting tighter, so this is good. Okay, getting tight now. Okay, perfect. Now, that's not moving anymore. See that? Okay, I got pliers. Let's hope I can fit it in there. Squeeze that back part. There you go. This will work. And then tighten this guy. There you go. I have pliers. Squeezing the grommet in the back. I'll tighten this guy slowly so there's no room. There you go. Now we're getting some movement. Okay, you see that? Perfect. Oh, I'll loosen it. Again, if you have a short screwdriver, perfect. So I got this one back in, that one back in, that one back in. Putting this lid back on. But I think I'm gonna skip that problematic one. Okay, so the last one. So as you can see, there's a bit of a thing that keeps this in place. So even without that, it shouldn't move that much. Alright, there we go. Now, the shroud. Let's put that baby on. It's right there upside down. I also gotta put that styrofoam piece. Let's get this guy on. Like that. Easy. It's a few more somewhere else. But there's like 4 anchor points, I think, in the bottom. That hooks the AC to the bottom. So take this shroud here. That goes in the front. That goes in back. Line that guy up. Mind you, this one's kind of damaged, so I'm gonna have to fit those screws in. Here's one. This one. Mosquito. Two. I'll probably tape this part here so it stays cohesive as one piece. And 4. Boom. That'll hold. It doesn't gotta be pretty. It's just supposed to hold. Okay, that's one. That's 2. That'll hold too. Just a bit more integrity until I put a new one on. So yep, that is done. Everything's secured in. Nice. Let's check the inside. I'm in the RV, AC on. Sounds beautiful. So I would say that is fixed. So this is Han from the Best Family Outdoor Show. I just fixed that rumbling noise in my RV's AC, and it was because 2 of the bolts that held the fan in place fell off the grommet. All I did was screw the 2 bolts back in to the grommet, and everything was fine. I showed the steps of how to take off the shroud, the styrofoam cover insulator, and the plastic cover that guards the fan. And in the fan, once you see that, you open it up, you can see what my problem was, which was 2 bolts. Your problem could be something different. It could be maybe something got stuck in the fan, like leaves or an animal or something, but it would be something similar to this process. You would have to actually open it like I did to investigate. So I hope that this video helps you get the AC open, at least, if you're not having the same problem that I did. But if you're having the same problem I did, then just fix it the way I did. So I showed the before sound and the after sound. I hope this helps you, and I hope it's enough to get you going and have your AC fixed, alright? Having the Best Family Outdoor Show. Until next time, I hope your AC works silently, or at least with this kind of noise.